BBQ.
Yo, what's up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today, might as well start with this. It's super rainy, super nasty outside, but it's cool. It's only like 74, 75 degrees, something like that. But it is nasty and rainy, and that kind of sucks. But we're still gonna do some cooking today. We did plan. We'll go back to this. We did plan to do a wing table today. If you've been following along on this channel, we've been doing these tables. We call them friends tables, where everybody brings something. So we did like a nacho table. We all brought the stuff to put on nachos, and we had a big table just full of nachos that we could eat off of. We did the pasta table. Today we were going to do a wing table, but it kind of fell through. We had some people kind of bow out at the beginning of the week, and then we had somebody else, their kids had some poison ivy, something happened. So they weren't going to come, and then yeah, so basically we just canceled. We just said to hell with it. We were going to do it. We'll just do it another day. But I have chicken that's thawed out, so I'm going to have to cook it, and that's what we're going to do. We're just going to go ahead and cook all the chicken, and what the hell, we'll just do what we got to do. So we're going to get the pellet grill ready to go. Take the cover off, maybe. There we go. There we go. Cover off. Maybe. There we go. All right, cool. Put it over here. All right. And we're going to get the sucker cleaned real quick and get her fired up. Alright, here's our chicken leg. We're going to take the skin off. Other than that, it looks pretty good. We're just going to take the skin off though. I know some people are probably going to judge me for this, but all you keyboard warriors out there, keyboard cooks.
Why did you take the skin off? That's the best part.
Well, it's not what I want, so. Take off any of this little extra fat that I can find. Just like that. We're going to inject them just a tad. Whole lot in it. Yeah, bit. Come on, face. Alright. Turn like this. I'm right-handed, so this ain't gonna work. Well, here, maybe I'll do it this way. We'll put a little bit of this stuff on there. This is just a little bit of a buttery, garlicky seasoning. It's not coming out very well, though. Alright, there we go. Alright, now we're going to come back through and put a little barbecue seasoning on it. Just a little bit of a bourbon peachy flavor. Been using this a lot lately. It's pretty good stuff. Alright, so I kind of messed up. I completely forgot to put my meat stick in. Soup. We're going to try to do that real quick. And I'm not 100% sure how I'm going to do this, except for maybe... Gonna have to put the camera down. Gonna have to put the camera down. Alright, so I got it on that one there. You can see the right there at the top, that little black piece. Yep, there's my meat stick sticking out. And we'll keep an eye on these. We're going to shut the lid. Alright, so we're getting close on temp. We're going to take these suckers. We're going to start grilling them here. Look, we're going to set this to sear. Sear. We're just going to take them on down. Put them right on the heat. I gotta be careful. I got that set kind of low, so I gotta be careful when I go in there and turn them all. But you'll let them grill up now. All right, start rotating them. They're not doing too bad. Somebody's over here doing a little. Ooh, it's getting a little hot. Ooh, I don't know if that's gonna work out, but that would like to. Ooh, hot. All right, according to the meat stick, it's done. So that one looks pretty done. Pull it out. Woo-wee, look at that. Looks pretty good. Just throwing them off over here on this pan for now. Woo. I want to leave them two on there just a little bit longer. Actually, I might even put this back on just a hair longer. Then we're going to leave them three on just a little bit longer. Get them a little bit more crispy. Alright guys, look at that. I went ahead and pulled them off. Look pretty good, don't they? Got a few pictures of them real quick. Right there, the old meat stick. Did its job today, I'm pretty sure. I was going to go ahead. I know people say, oh, we want to see you taste it. Why do I still have a glove on? Anyway, people say, we want to see you take a bite, we want to see you taste it, but there's 8 of these, and I need 2 of them per day for 4 days. So I'm not going to take a bite of them because I want these for lunch for the rest of the week. So anyway, that's all you're going to get. They look amazing. They look very delicious. And so I'm going to take them inside. I'm going to divvy them up, and I'm going to eat these suckers for lunch. So that is it for these little drumsticks. Alright folks, that's it for this week's cook. Like I said, I really was hoping to have an awesome video from the friends table, and just didn't happen this week. So I kind of just made some changes, went ahead and cooked up the little drumsticks, and then that was it. I don't have anything else for you. I apologize. Like I said, I really wanted to make a good video, but this is it. This is all you're getting this week. So apologize. Anyway, we'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at NewBQ2020. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok at NewBQ Backyard Barbecue. And see you guys next time. Peace.